I'm Ayusha. Today I learned how to find the power of any number in Python. So let's start. I make the input function and my input function name is x. I write int. Int form is integers. Input. Please enter a number. Y is equal to int. Input. Please enter your power. Z is equal to x squared y. Print Z. My first number is 5 and my power is 6. The answer is 15,625. My number is 2 and power is 4. The answer is 16. My number is 8 and my power is 5. The answer is 32,768. Thank you.